is Lucy Digitalista from BSIT 2A. We will be now discussing about the laboratory activity number 1 for quiz number 1, entitled the title of the said activity is printing with the use of escape characters. So what is escape characters? So escape characters in Java programming or in programming, it was an alternative interpretation of single quote, double quote, backslash, and new line, carriage return, tab, backspace, from print, space. So what are the examples or the alternative words or letter to use? So for single quote, we will use slash and then one quote. For double quote, slash, double quote, 2 backslashes for back, and then for new line is slash n. For carriage return, slash r. For tab, slash t, or for one space, slash b for backspace or one backward or one space backward, and then the last one is from form fed or slash f. So in this program, we will be using those escape characters. For us, or in creating this program, we will use that escape characters or alternatives for backspace or spaces. So the first thing we will do is to open the compiler. I use Eclipse compiler to compile these codes. And then the next one is to create a class. So after creating a class, we will now proceed to the computation or to the coding. So for us to print or to create a program, we will be now putting, or after we put the main method or the main source code, which is the public static void main, open parenthesis, string, arguments, close parenthesis. Now, we will put our executing statement, which is the system, that out, that print line. So, the first step was to put the first, or to create the first step, which is putting an asterisk. So, to create a box. So, we will put now the system, the executing statement, which is the system, that out, that print line, open parenthesis, quote, asterisk, as many as we can, or till our box, or till our names be equal or be enough or have enough space for the content we will put. Then after reporting the asterisk, we will now quote again and then close parentheses, semicolon, and then we will proceed to the next line, which is again put a executing statement, which is the system, that out, that print line, And we will now put our input, which is, or the first input, which is my full name. So in this section, we will be now using the escape characters, which is the /t or tab. So system.out.println, open parenthesis, quote, asterisk, escaping character tab, and then my name. I'll enter my name. So we will be using the escape characters as many as we can, and we will use it in every word, or in every word in every word when we create it. So after we use it and we were satisfied to the spaces that we had, we will now put again asterisk, quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. And then now again, to repeat it, to create our second step, which is my Carson section, we will now put again executing program, system.out.println, open parenthesis, quote, asterisk, and then again executing, and again escape characters tab, as many as we can. So in this part, I use 2 tabs for the first line, then BSIT, and then again single tab, 2A, and then 3 tabs, and then asterisk, and then quote, and then close parenthesis, semicolon, and then repeat it again with the third part, which is to create the word hello world. So we will put again the executing statement, which is the system.out.println, open parenthesis, quote, asterisk. We will now put 2 tabs, hello, 1 tab, world, 3 tabs again until I'm satisfied to the spaces, asterisk, quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. And lastly, to close it up, or to finally build the box that need to be created, we will close it again with the executing statement, system.out.println, open parenthesis, quote, asterisk, as many as we can, or till the length with the first asterisk, and then quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then we will run the program to see the result.